talk about turbos and all the cool science behind them. Now, I got my pesky mittens on an Arashi Dynamics 3584. This is a dual ball bearing, forged and milled compressor wheel turbo. Now, onto the specifications of the turbo. This has a 67mm inducer on the compressor wheel and a 62mm exducer on the turbine wheel. This turbo is poised right between 500 to 1,000 horsepower at the max, but the max horsepower isn't the full story. You need to look at the compressor sheet. For example, if I want to run 12 pounds of boost on this turbo, which is a little bit under 2.0 pressure ratio, that means that the turbo is going to be the most efficient between 35 to 45 pounds per minute, which is right around 350 to 450 horsepower, and the max leading edge is right around 750 horsepower. If I wanted to run 12 pounds of boost and make 1,000 horsepower, this turbo is too small. Now, the way around that is increasing the boost pressure. Now, if I increase the boost pressure a lot, I can reach that pound per minute goal, but at the detriment of overspinning the turbo and damaging it. The fact that Arashi Dynamics gives you the compressor map and the balance sheet, quality. Now, more than just a turbo, this also comes with the full install kit. So you get your oil lines, feedings, your gaskets. Even has a serialized plaque for the turbo, the person who made it. Talk about going the extra mile. So if you want a turbo like this, link in description. Type in the code 337SPEED for even more discounts on the discounted turbo. And I think I have the perfect car to put this turbocharger to the test. Stay tuned for part 2.